Hello viewers, very welcome to my YouTube channel. Viewers, today I am going to show you how to set up Google conversion tracking code on our website or on Google Tag Manager. We can set up our Google conversion tracking code on our website. Alternatively, we can set up on Google Tag Manager too. So in order to set up with the help of Google Tag Manager, first you have to set up Google Tag Manager code on your website. So in my previous video I have shown this. Today I will show you how to set up Google conversion tracking code on website or on Google Tag Manager. You can set up using one of these two. So what will be benefited for you if you put conversion tracking code on your website? You can optimize your Google ads by keywords, demographic, age, gender, location, device, and alternatively you are giving many data to Google. Google will optimize your ads properly and Google will deliver you quality conversion through. So let's move to my computer screen. I'm going to show you how you can set up your conversion tracking code on your website or on Google Tag Manager. I will show both of these ways. So first I will show you how to set up on website. So what I have to do, first I have to come to my Google Ads dashboard. This is my dashboard I am showing you, and first I will introduce my website. This is my website. Actually, what is conversion? I think you people know what is conversion actually. This is my website, or if you think about e-commerce website, when we will go to purchase something, we will write our information, shipping data, something like that, and after that we will check out. And after checking out, we will be redirected to another page, and that page name is thank you page. The message might be thank you for your order. So if I show you on my own website, actually this is my own website, this is blog website. So here you will be getting contact page, contact me. If you write your name and email address and a message, and after clicking on send button, you will be redirected to thank you page. So we will give this URL, this thank you page URL to Google, so that Google can trigger this page, and triggering this page, Google will identify that it is conversion has been happened, and for this purpose this page is triggered. Actually this one will be triggered, and this will triggered. After completing triggered, conversion will be created and we will be getting conversion. So I think you have understood what is actually the concept of conversion. Conversion might be sign up, might be contact form, might be subscription, might be trial now, might be purchase, something like that, and after that you will be redirected to another page which is actually confirmation page. So we will now start how to set up conversion. So for this purpose we came to our Google Ads platform, and if you come on this page, you will be getting some options on top of the page. So we will go to tools and settings option, and after coming here we will be getting measurement, and after getting measurement we are getting conversions. We have to click on that, and after coming on conversion page we are getting one conversion lead generation. This one actually lead generation. Now we will create a new conversion. So what we will have to do, we have to click on plus new conversion action. So we clicked on that. Now I have to click on one of these four options. If I made conversion from my website, I have to click here, or if I use my app, I will click here, and I can use my phone number too. Phone number, how will work it if I explain. Whenever you will create your Google ad, you can use extension, and after using extension you can put your phone number, and after seeing your Google advertisement like YouTube ad, banner ad or search ad, they will be getting extension like phone number, and after clicking on that phone number, that person can communicate with you directly and the conversion will be made. So you can use phone number too, and you can import data using this option also. So today I will go to show you actually website. I have shown you my conversion will be contact whenever my audience will come and fill up this contact form and send this option. The page will be triggered by Google and I will be getting my conversion. So for this purpose I am using website. After clicking on website, just you have to have patience to be redirected. It is not working, so I will, yes, I have to click again, and after that this page, this interface has come. Now I have to copy my domain name. My domain name, this is not actually thank you page, so I have to copy this and I will paste here, and after that I will click on scan. It is scanning right now, so you have to have patience, and after that you will be getting these two options: create conversion action automatically from website event. So if you actually put your conversion tracking code on your website directly, you can use this one, and if you use this one, you can create conversion, you can set up your conversion on your website directly, or you can use Google Tag Manager tool. So today I will show you both of these two. First I will show this one. So what you have to do, you have to come here, add a page load. Now you have to select a conversion goal. What will be the goal? My goal will be contact. You will be getting a menu option here. If it is purchase for you will have to click on that. If it is a lead form, you can click here. If it is sign up, you can click here. My goal actually contact, so that is why I have kept a contact page here. Now you have to choose match type. URL starts. URL is actually very specific, you can use it, and you can use also URL contains. URL contains is actually not a specific, some browser may contain something like that, that's why I will prefer URL contains. URL starts with is also favored by someone, but I will recommend this option actually. And after that you have to enter your URL here. What URL actually? Your page URL, this is not actually URL. You have to give your thank you page, so you have to copy it. You have to copy, just copy and paste here. I paste here, and now you have to click on add. So after clicking on add, you will be getting settings. Now you have to click on settings. You have to set up something. It is actually, its name actually contact, a goal, and option optimization is contact by default. You need not touch this one. A conversion name, what will be the conversion name? You will be getting some default name, you can edit it. I will keep contact form, I'm happy with this one, and you will be getting your thank you page URL by default, so keep it. Now you are getting rate actually. What is this? If I go to understand you, you can keep some rates for your conversion. One conversion may be $1, maybe $10, maybe $100, as per your choice. So actually this will be judged properly when it is for actually e-commerce website. E-commerce website is having physical product, and the physical product is having worth. So the physical product worth is, if it is $10, you can put $10. So how many order will be coming, you will be getting multiply of this amount, you will be getting calculation. So Google and you, both of you actually measure your ROI. So that is the option. You can keep this, or you cannot. If you think that you need not put rate here, just click on here and use different value for each conversion. You can keep this one also for each conversion rate if you want to show differently. So I will prefer to keep $1 for my contact form. If one contact form fill up and submitted, it will be $1 worthy. So I think this one should be. Now you are getting count option. If you come on this portion, you will be getting 2, every, and 1. So here you have to understand properly what is happening here. If you keep 1 every, what is happening here? If it is actually e-commerce website, you are going, if you sell some products, physical product, for physical product purchase, every should be here. Means I am only one person. I have gone to your website and I have ordered 5 products at 5 different times. So for all of orders, every rate will be created. If it is 5 product, $5 will be multiplied. And if you kept one, actually if you keep one, this one will actually proper for contact form, lead form, which is not having actually word. That is why you can keep only one. If I go to your blog website, if I fill up any form for 2-3 times, for 5 times, it will be shown only one, because I am using only one email address, one name. That is why that should be actually one. So I will kept one. Now you can keep click through conversion window. That should be 30 days, 60 days, as per your choice. I will keep 30 days. And view through conversion window 1, and that should be default. And attribution model, there are many attribution models you can choose. Last click, I will prefer last click, and sometimes I use time decay. Whatever you choose, you can use. Last click is default, and I will prefer last click. And now everything is okay. I will click on done. So it has been happened properly. Now save and continue. So after that, I will be getting the code. Here I am getting HTML code. Now I have to copy this code, and I have to put this code on my website. Now I have copied this code, and where I have to put? I have to put between hashtag. So I will go to my website dashboard. I am on my website dashboard. Now I will click my appearance portion. After that, I am getting theme file editor. It is actually WordPress. If you use WordPress website, you can put this code accordingly. Just I am going to show you. So what you have to choose, you have to find head tag. This is the head tag. Now I will paste my code here, whatever I have copied earlier. This is the code. I have put it properly. Now I have to scroll down, and after that I have to click on update file. After clicking my file on update file, I have to go to my Google Ads dashboard, and I have to click on done button. So everything is fine, everything has been set up properly, but I cannot test here. I have to go to my conversion tracking code to find this properly. Here I cannot test actually. Why I'm not going to get this one, I will show you whenever I will use Google Tag Manager. We can test at once, so I will show you. So this is the manual option. I have set up my Google I have set up my conversion tracking code on my website properly. This is the way you can choose it. Now I will show you how you can set up your conversion code using Google Tag Manager. And Google Tag Manager is actually perfect to use your Google ad conversion code. Let's see how we can do this. So I will cancel this one. This one actually created. I will remove this one so that I can show you again. And I don't need this one also. Okay. Now I will go again on tools and settings. Everything is same. Just follow me. You can do. You need not be professional. You need not to know advanced level digital marketing to do this. If you follow these things, whatever I am doing, you can set up this code very easily. So what you have to do, you have to go to measurement. You have to click on conversions. Now I will set up my conversion tracking code using Google Tag Manager, and Google Tag Manager is perfect place to set up this code, because Google will also know about these things. So what I have to do, I have to go to new conversion tracking, and I will click on website, and after that what will happen, let's see. It is not working, so I will click again. Yes, you have to click on there again. Now I will copy my URL, website URL. I will put here and scan, and after that I have to go on second option. Just create conversion actions manually using code. From here you can put your code directly to your website, or you can share your code to your developer through email, and you can set up your code by yourself. So I will show you everything. Just click on add a conversion action manually. I have come here. Now I have to select goal and action. It will be contact, because I want people fill up a contact form. So this is the contact form. I can edit this one. I will prefer contact form. Now I will use same value. I have told about the value earlier, so I'm not describing again. Now use each, and this will be one for me. Can every for e-commerce website, and everything is fine. This is default. I will kept it by default. Now I have to click on done. Everything is finished. Now I will click on done, and after doing this I have to click on save and continue. So I have saved and enter continue. Now you need to add tags for one conversion action. Here you are going to get 3 options. You can edit your website code, whatever I have done earlier, so I need not to show you again. Now you can email instruction to your webmaster. That means if you are not a developer of your own website, you can give this code to your developer by email, and you can use Google Tag Manager for setting up this code. Now I will use this portion because this is the perfect thing to use Google Tag Manager for setting up this code. So what I will do, I will click on use Google Tag Manager. See, actually this is the latest version of Google Ads. If you see backdated videos to set up your tracking code, you will not be guided properly because earlier the platform was actually not different. So now this Google Ad platform is really organized. You have to follow the latest this type of video in order to be guided properly. So I have come to use Google Tag Manager, and after coming here I have to do 3 works, actually 3 tasks. One is conversion ID. Conversion ID, I have to put my conversion ID to my Google Tag Manager. I have to put my conversion level on my Google Tag Manager, and I have to create a conversion linker on my Google Tag Manager. These 3 tasks should be done properly in order to set up your conversion tracking code. So I will do everything one after another. You need to see everything carefully. You can do very easily. So what I have to do, I have to go to my Google Tag Manager. I am on my Google Tag Manager dashboard. Now I have to click on new tag in order to create the tag. So I have clicked on tags. After clicking on new tags, I will be redirected on this interface. Here I have 2 tasks. One task is tag configuration, and another is one triggering, where the page will be triggered. My thank you page will be triggered. So this triggered page should be set up here. Now I have to click on this portion in order to tag configuration. After clicking on that, you will have to choose something here. That will be actually Google Ad conversion tracking. This option should be clicked because it will be actually conversion tracking. So I have to click on that. Now you have to put here your ID. So I will go to my Google Ad platform. Now I will copy this ID and I will paste it here. I have to put here my level from Google Ad. I came here and I will copy the level from here and will come to my Google Ad Tag Manager and will paste here. And 2 tasks has been done. Now the final task is create linker tag. So what I have to do, I have to create linker tag. Just I have to click on that. After clicking, just now you have to enable linking on all page URL page. Just click on that and you have to click on save, and you can keep a name. I will keep it default, save it. Now you have to trigger all page. It is actually done. So I have to come to my again the page, discard, stay here. Now you have to select triggering in order to trigger your page. So just come here and click on all page. So the triggering will be on all page. So everything is done, just it is loading. You have to have patience. It's actually loading. I don't know why it's not working. Internet is okay. Yes, has been loaded. So now I have to click on save. My every task is done. Now you have to you can give a name here. Just I will keep it default and save it. Everything is done. Saving. You are seeing saving. It will be whenever it will be saved. The setup is completed, and I will test whether the setup is okay or not. So you can check here, conversion linker page is set up, and Google ad conversion tracking is also set up. Sorry, and I will come to my Google ad platform and I will do it done. Now my conversion is created, so I will test it if it is working properly or not. So in order to test, I have to click on preview page. So I have clicked on preview, and after clicking on preview, you will be redirected to another page, and there your URL thank you page URL should be pasted, and after that you will click on the test option, and if it is triggered, you will be seeing on your website tag assistant pop-up button, pop-up symbol. So if it will work, the pop-up will come definitely. So I have to wait. It is actually saving data. Maybe my internet is not working properly, so you have to have a patience actually. I'm sorry for that. In the meantime, I am showing you another things. You are seeing it is unverified, and you are getting another option, troubleshoot. If you see this troubleshoot, you need not be actually feeling pain that I have done many things but it is not working. This is not actually so. Troubleshoot will be appeared here. Troubleshoot will be appeared till 3 hours, I think. If you go to actually guideline of Google will tell you that you have to wait 24 hours in order to get it verified. You are going to give here unverified. Actually, it will be settled up, it will be fixed automatically after 3 hours, I think, and you will not be getting here troubleshoot. You will be getting here no recent conversions. You will be getting here, and whenever conversion will be coming, you will be getting here number, and you will be getting value here too. So I will come here again. Yes, it is not worked. So I will again click here, saving. Yes, it has come. Now I will test. Here I have to put my thank you page in order to test it is working properly or not. So I have copied it, and now I will paste here and connect. After connecting, I am expecting that a tag manager pop-up will be here. If it comes here, it will work properly. It is successfully set up. You have to understand. Yeah, see, this pop-up has come. So I have successfully set up my code, and I think that it is actually very simple. Just you have to follow my all of clicks so that you can set up easily. And I think that you got more information, and it is actually latest, very latest. If you follow previous video, I think that you will not be guided properly, and I think that you got actually many benefits seeing this video. So I will expect to click subscribe button, and please hit the bell button so that you can get more videos notification at once. Thank you very much.